How to install Facebook app on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on Play Store app. Now here, so click on this search option and search Facebook app. You will see Facebook app is here, so click on Facebook app. So if you want to install Facebook app, so click on install. So after click on install, you will see your app is installed according to your internet connection. So you will see app is installing 30%. You will see. So after few minutes and few seconds later, you will see app is download. You will see after the process app is download. So after download app, go back to home screen and you will see Facebook app is showing on your home screen. So if you want to use, so click on app and enter your history. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can install Facebook app on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.